How to change your voice on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change your voice on TikTok. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your voice on TikTok, first of all, go ahead and launch the TikTok application and make sure you're signed into your account. And what you want to do is, first of all, you just want to go about uploading a simple video as you would do. So I'll just select the video that I want to upload. And currently, I will show you the voice in this video. How to clear, continue watching on HBO Max. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am B. So as you could clearly see that the voice over here is my original voice, and if I want to change the voice in it, what I want to do is, first of all, on the right hand side you can see these multiple toolbar options. You want to go to this option called audio editing. Once you go to audio editing, you can see different type of audio effects, and if you want to change the voice, you can see chipmunk, you can see baritone. So let me show you the first one first of all. Now after I've selected it, I'll go ahead and play it and also show it to you.
How to clear, continue watching on HBO Max.
So as you could see, the voice is a different than my original one. If I want to use some other one, so let me also go ahead and download their effects. So I'll go ahead and simply play it again.
Hey
everyone, welcome back to my channel. So similarly, you can go ahead and try different ones that you actually like. I am from How to Geek, and today's video also be sure. And that's all it takes to change your voice on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.